Okay, so what I want to do here is I'm just going to start. This is an intro to my playlist on converting from Windows over to Linux. And it's not really going to be the same as a lot of other ones. This is more designed for the business side of things. But I'm going to go into equivalencies and reasons why, and I'm going to talk about the differences between the operating systems from a simplistic end user perspective. I don't know if I'll get into more complicated stuff later on in the playlist, but I might. So this is just a quick intro, and I'm going to enter into the next video talking about the distributions or the versions of Linux and why I think you should use the version that I'm using, or why I use it. There's all sorts of favorites out there. Everybody's got their favorite, but I'm approaching this simply from being a Windows end user as to what is going to make the easiest, most simplistic transaction where they can just jump into their work, not worry about the operating system, not worry about converting, not having any of those things. They turn the computer, log in, and they go to do the work no matter what their job is. So that's the approach I'm taking from this. And that's the way that I'm going to go into every one of my videos. So I'll see you in the next video where I talk about the Linux distribution of my choice.